In 1901, a sponge diving crew discovered a Roman-era shipwreck near the island of Antikythera. The cargo appeared ordinary for its time: statues, coins, ceramics. One object was ignored for years: a corroded bronze mass broken into fragments. When researchers examined it more closely, they found gears, dozens of them, cut with precision. Modern imaging revealed that the device could model the motions of the sun, moon, and known planets, and even predict eclipses using established astronomical cycles. In effect, it functioned as an analog computer. What makes this unusual is not just what it did, but when. Comparable mechanical complexity does not appear again in the historical record until medieval clockwork, over a millennium later. There are no clear references to similar devices in surviving Greek or Roman texts. No evidence of mass production. No known technological descendants. The mechanism exists. Its function is demonstrable, but the knowledge system behind it appears to vanish from history. What remains unexplained is whether this machine was unique, or the only survivor of a lost tradition we no longer see.